Amampanyida Mahama no. Me court. Me pacho tie me. Tie de waka bia.
Ebusia eye maami Akua Donkor eye presidential candidate de ma eye Ghana Freedom Party Akua Donkor enye no ne bu afuye sanso na eye Kofi Akpaloo onu so ebu afuye based on some comments here eye Omampanyida da John Dramani Mahama ekokaye.
The PNC is a more worthy party than several parties that I see here on the ballot paper. But that's the issue we have with the Electoral Commission.
Let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I'll copy into my video, make sure to subscribe. And then I'm now if you want click on notification bell necessary there. Me uploading new video be on sabit me akana if you want share. I'm a for abe share no I like it and so edi amami. Na eye Omampanyida da John Dramani Mahama ekopie mu ewukro bi ani din ede Nabulo. Se mamoni ya mo fanche me Nabulo ne hono ewo Sisala East. I was Sisala East ho and will make key statements be saying that the Electoral Commission no are disqualify a PNC. Na PNC no nan komu deserve pa say or more ballot papers so compared to some of the presidential candidates and as a party or more ballot papers
to be on the ballot paper. Unfortunately, our brothers in the PNC were wrongfully disqualified. I do not understand how come the PNC were not allowed to be on this ballot paper. The PNC is a more worthy party than several parties that I see here on the ballot paper. But that's the issue we have with the Electoral Commission. Sometimes they are discriminatory because there are some people on this ballot paper who Bernard Mona qualifies more to be here than those people. And I know it will provoke controversy, but I mean it.
Said ye Omampanyida da John Dramani Mahama osie no chese o kan sa asem we ya naija hey ebufo ba gidigidi eye maami Akua Donkor enye no ne buafu osesa asem na eye Omampanyida da John Dramani Mahama kan no waji ama ne ho eti oro okosi we Omampanyida da na sika obo odin die ye kosi emra
Yisi pe ni mpanifo ate ase se ensama metete na bontene efa Mahama ho me ka Omampanyida firi se wa yi ne ho afirim se wono wo ko apani wo abem anasa adwuma bi mu na se wo sa akopre timi fofora wo de odibira to ho timi ho so na odibira to ntimi ko ka se Omampanyida dada de american emi nyina o kasa na o kasa tia me se aba no etoye no oba no eyi no no aka bi Mahama aka bi se ensese nka me ye fa me na me baby na omo de yi wo ai ba ni say yi simpany force de ba say wo ye waduma yi a ma me no wonta obi a wo wodo ma na duma wo ye wo wodo ma ni nkofo enti sa oba ka sa ansem kire me a me ka kire mo ne Omampanyida Mahama no wo so ye Omampanyida me de ko court anti me de ko court me pa tie me de ko court me ko solo 2 billion trillion na majija Mahama se me 3 party no wala mem sikati ya na minimum no minimum I don't know ka say eni kwase fame na wo menya ni pa na ana se me fi Ghana me mama ti ase de kokoto yi si ni mpanifo me mama mo data se wo che me so me edipa ena fi Ghana enti do aka say ya me ra no mpa wo mi ran pa chaw wo ho ma mani na me fa chaw tie me Mahama me se so ase me ni pa no kasa se ya no nyina mote se ni pa bi wo ho a ense sanke ya ma ye ba ahakora wo be kire me de kokoto wo be kire so anti mi an wadi dia wo be kire na me de kokoto no so am na tie se wo ya dai me ka kire mo me se ne kwato no ho ne ho enkam a woni me be dia kire ni ana ono so na be dia Omampanyida mes ana be dia kire no me CP aka kire ne se Omampanyida mes secretary ne ko doctor no your doctor kire no one family anya sa me simi minimum in America me so no one the quarter mes so one farm me de ko court me aka sa de ko court
I Ghana TV 7 can show say Ghana free. And who be here see a bit promote made in Ghana products. Said be a bit more my Ghana etimi afan into my pay frana importation no so a bit to me at say in tea so we Ghana ni now producing made in Ghana products in Quadia. We show screen this one numbers be a home say we a short video out the best send ye be promote am free of charge. We yan movie and so a bit to me a friend numbers no. Afe by Ghana TV streaming live. Ewo YouTube, any Roku box, okopiem, and so ewo Google Play Store, app no hobby to me, I download it, now near I interactive. Na eya asema yo mampeni dada John Dramani Mahama, eko ye, say, PNC unqualify na ye or more ballot papers no so no all castle, be break and deserve some more hono. To say, ye mammy pia don konkwana ni bufu yo. Ye or Kofi Akpaloo so. Any bufu ye na any onsu betu tubi e de mane eye omampanyi dada ankasa yenti odo so embra
to be the largest political opposition party as their head. It was done. He's nobody, and he can never be anybody. He was just lucky. He was just lucky to be the leader of the.
Please, LPG. I think you've made your point. Please.
Yeah,
LPG.
I want everybody to know in this world,
please,
that he will lose and continue to lose and lose forever.
Please.
Eye Kofi Akpaloo ene kasa na ni eche se wan fans pe eyo mampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama kra. Odo kasa no se hye ukwa obi na bete party na wo aba benya dibre wo so na wo ba be keka no be ye wano to be di akire ye mu sa ne de ye ya na de party ba wo kase eda foba anam. Na enu enam so amaye NDC for omo IT bi oye in charge of their IT any elections and din edi Dr. Rashid Donkor computer wabekasa o say omo nyina nya ne omo chekere no kra omo nya ne omo kire no na ye John Dramani Mahama yo mampanyi dada onu so eye presidential candidate so he has every right say obekasa akire nadwe.
Excellency John Dramani Mahama is a former president. He's a candidate for this year contest. He has every right to make comment on the electoral process. He has every right. At every point in time that he feels like making comment on the electoral process, he has every right to do that. He's a candidate. He is not a subject for discussion on this platform. And I was expecting you this year. He cannot be made a subject of discussion on this platform. And we take exception to that because he did not say that you should put it on your agenda for the day. There is nothing like that. And in any case, if they want us to go that tangent, we are ready for it. And we are ready. There's nothing. Go and read your team. If you are wearing that glass, go and wear another glass so that you can read the documents very well. So please, we are saying that as a political party, we've taken notice of this. And we are not going to double that. And everybody knows that if we are to go stringent on the qualification criteria of certain political parties, they will not be sitting on this table. You all know it. And I need to teach you on that.
Dr. Donkor eso ekaye no chese opache se eyo mampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama se si ade oye candidate enti so oye candidate nkwa ade se wonti bibiase a owo every right so obetwe na adwen na asem na nso ho a o anso ho a mestro se wo any comment a obeja e wo comment section ho e de amame na ye Kofi Akpaloo osaka sai presidential candidate for the LPG osaka sai after the meeting no kobusa ne say oh na wo sha baby a wo gina ka asem ni na nka eya na afesi so ka say NDC for edi wo ya wa ne Kofi Akpaloo se mu so wonje na ne ebe e wo.
So here you were very particular and critical about issues that came out concerning certain comments that were made by former President John Dramani Mahama. Some of the NDC particularly thought that you were not fair to the former president.
Oh, John Mahama too wasn't fair to us. You see, as a statesman, you have to speak with decorum. You know, you cannot just open your mouth and say anything anyhow, because we all respect him as a former president. But he should not look down on us. You see, he had opportunity to be the leader of NDC. Doesn't make him Superman. Doesn't make him better than us. He was just fortunate. He didn't establish NDC. Somebody built a party and he came to inherit the position. But we are building our party from scratch. So you should know where we are coming from. I mean, it's not everybody that will have that kind of privilege.
But the argument is that is this the right forum?
But where you also stood to make that comment, can you also say was it a right forum? Anywhere you can make a comment, you make it.
Because this is an IPAC meeting, a one agenda meeting on the voter register.
There's always an AOB in the meeting. So additional or other or other matters. So please, that's it. So to me, it's consensus because he insulted all the 12 candidates. Because he said several. So who are those several? He didn't mention anybody's name. So we have to let him know that it wasn't right for him to use past that comment.
Nadia, a course so IPAC meeting no ase edamede abeso monete say mama akua Donkor wadwa lie Kofi Akpaloo enso adwa nkasa enam comment aye omapanyi dada John Dramani Mahama pass yenti any update bi aba me de beba abeso mo na ye kai mo say aka few weeks na ye to aba ni santie hu behia say ye Ghana foi ye bema ya sumdue emu ehia ye pa because o my Ghana de ye asumdue man midin edina na akua santoa mako